Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a 2013 Kia Optima Hybrid. Park both cars safely, engage parking brakes, and position vehicles so batteries are within cable reach. Inspect battery terminals for corrosion and clean contacts if needed. Keep metal jewelry away and ensure both ignitions are off before connecting cables. Follow the correct cable order and stay clear of moving parts while attempting to start the hybrid vehicle carefully. Start by identifying the positive and negative terminals on both batteries. Connect the red clamp to the donor battery positive, then to the hybrid battery positive. Attach the black clamp to the donor battery negative and connect the final black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal ground on the hybrid, away from the battery. Double-check clamp connections for tightness, keep cables clear of pulleys, and never lean over batteries during the process. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more automotive help. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes post-maintenance cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, a handy gadget when you get oily hands. It picks up dirt while you relax and pairs well with weekend garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With clamps secure, start the donor vehicle and let it idle for several minutes to provide charge. After a short charge period, attempt to start the Kia Optima Hybrid while observing dash indicators and listening for normal starting sounds. If it starts, keep the hybrid running to allow its battery to recover. If it does not start after a few tried attempts, disconnect cables in reverse order and consult a technician to avoid damaging hybrid systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.